Hey everybody, so I'm just getting off work. I have to stop at this Walmart on my way home. And I have some okay luck here, but we'll see what they got today. They usually stock on Monday afternoon, which is kind of weird. They don't do overnight stocking here. So yeah, I need to get a key also, because the key to my garage broke off in the door yesterday, and super awesome. So now I have no key to get into my home, so that's always fun. Apparently everybody is here doing some shopping on a Monday afternoon, so we'll see if I can get some parking and go in and see what they got diecast wise. Let's head in. Hopefully won't be here for an hour looking through stuff and find some good stuff right off the bat. Yeah, I don't see any jump fence put out, but we'll go over here and check. I see some new stuff in the crusher, so we'll go pull that thing apart, see what they got over there. Guys, right off the bat, look at that. Got a super 2015 Mustang GT hanging on the front peg. God, I love that. Go ahead and grab the regular one to go with it. Alright, over here to the crusher and see what else we can find. Nothing sitting up front, so let me do some digging. Yeah, nothing in there, guys. Put them back. And the reason I didn't go all the way down was because I've already been through this one a few times. No regular hunts either, just that one super. Something that I have to stop myself from buying every time I see it. It's got to be these trucks. These are awesome. Mazda Repus, rotary powered Mazda pickup trucks. They're just awesome. Yeah, guys, nothing else here. Got the mainlines. What case is that? There's the case right there. Getting a little rowdy in this Walmart, apparently. Gonna look through one more time and then bail out of here. Pretty much got everything I'm gonna get. Pick up another one of these Repus. I think I've got a couple. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the white Borla Mustang since it's here. I have the red edition also. But there she is, guys. Crazy, just sitting on the front peg. But that's how I usually find them. Yeah, they haven't stocked this area in a while. They did get this case of M2s, but it's been here a couple weeks now. Somebody ripped it all up. They kind of destroyed this whole area, really. Look, I gotta get this thing. $17 though. It's a hard buy. Alright everybody, so stop one at the Walmart on the way home. It was a success. One super, got a few main lines. We'll show them to you when we get back to the dungeon. So may stop another place, we'll see. Alright guys, gonna hit another Walmart. Feeling lucky. Probably won't have anything here. They usually pretty slow to restocking, but hey, we'll see. Just another one kind of close. This is a small Walmart. It's I don't know, about 3/4 the size of like a normal one. I'm gonna run in the auto center because there's no real reason to run in from the front of the store to run all the way to the back corner back here. So here we go. Alright, their crusher's right here. Oh, there is new stuff here. I didn't have this in here yesterday when I was here. I'll be picking that one up. Oh, guys, look. Another 50th race team. So give me a second to check this guy out and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, we're back in the dungeon. So let's do a little recap of what we picked up tonight. Of course, we got a hollow back. Got the glow-in-the-dark wheels on it. It is a fantasy car. It's a pretty cool fantasy car. Got some nice style to it. Grabbed this one because I do have the treasure hunt version of it, and I don't have a mainline. Picked up another Mazda pickup. Mazda Repu. Rotary powered, as you saw in the Walmart video. Grabbed a white Mustang. A black Mustang. And the reason we got that one, of course, is because we have the matching Super. That was on the front of that peg. Guys, this is just a good night. Good night for a Monday night. So there she is. If you haven't seen one before, a little bit more metallic compared to the standard one. Got the Spectre Flame Black. Got the real riders there. Guys, check the card art. Card art's different. Not just a minor wheel variation, but a whole different car on the card art. But truth be told, this one looks better. This one's alright. This one looks better. This one looks more aggressive. So, yeah, there we go. That makes like Super number 8 or 9 for me. But second Mustang in a row. So, if you guys remember, I got my first Super Mustang at the Target event a couple weeks ago for free. So let's put these guys, let's lean these guys up here. And so the video cut out at the second Walmart. And the reason is I just started talking to somebody and I just kind of ended the video abruptly. But so they just put out the M case at that small Walmart. And this has got to be my favorite out of that case. The DeLorean, the dark graphite colored paint on it. Of course, the taillights. It's just a cool car. And you know, very Back to the Future-esque. Got some great wheels on this one. Just makes it look that much better. And then we picked up a truck that's been eluding me, a 49 Ford F1 or F100. I like this one. I haven't seen this one. And you know, this is an older case, a D case on the F1. Actually, you know what? I think I picked that one up at the first Walmart. I sure did. Sorry guys, that's in the DK stuff. That's with that stuff. This is all MK stuff, or MK stuff. So I grabbed that one up at the second Walmart. Grabbed that one up at the first Walmart. Doesn't matter. Picked them all up tonight. Let's see what else we grabbed. Grabbed another new model, new for 2018. 87 Dodge D100. What do you guys think? You like it? I think they could have put some off-road tires on it, since it is a pre-runner style truck. And it does have an off-road style tire in the bed, but you got some smoothies on these red wheels that I hate. But yeah, no off-road tires on that. Kind of kills it. Still kind of cool if you're into collecting the D100, the Dodge trucks, which, whatever. I mean, I liked it, so I picked it up. Like I said, I only pick up what I like, so I'll put that one up there. Put the DeLorean in front of the Super there. And guys, I'm finally up to date on these Hot Wheels race teams. So, grab number 3, which is the number 1 of 10, which is the Bone Shaker, which I already have. I got another one to open. Grabbed a Fastmaster, which is the number 4 car. Grabbed the F-150, which I'd have grabbed doubles of all these, but, you know, they only had one, which I guess somebody beat me to the case. And I finally got my favorite of the bunch, the 1978 Pontiac Firebird. So I'll probably hang on to these for a little bit. They got a little bit of card damage on them. I will put them with my carded stuff. But, yeah. So, guys, today has been a day. It's one of the best hunting days I've had in a while. Managed to be completely up to date on the Hot Wheels race team set. Got all 6. There's the other 2 right there. Definitely have those in carded. Grabbed all this stuff. And of course, guys, we got the super treasure hunt there. The best piece of the night. That's not the super. Guys, come on. There's the super. Sorry, we all make mistakes. That was a good one. But yeah, there's the super. Best piece of the night. So, thanks guys for watching. If you liked the video, I know it was a little longer tonight, but if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. Have a great night.